In this experiment, we will determine calcium content of a cement sample. Practical significance. Cement is used as a basic binding material. Cement contains ingredients as a lime, silica, alumina, iron oxide, magnesia, sulfur trioxide, and soda. Different types of cement like white cement, waterproof cement, quick setting cement, etc. are used for various purposes as in construction of bridges, pavement, dams, foundation work, marine construction, etc. Relevant course outcome. Select relevant metallurgical process and properties related to industrial application of iron and copper. Practical outcome. Determine the percentage of calcium in given cement sample. Minimum theoretical background. Cement is a mixture of calcium silicate and aluminate. Determination of calcium content in a cement is based on the fact that when indicator Erichrome black tea is added to cement solution in alkaline medium, it forms wine red color unstable complex with calcium and magnesium ions. That is, calcium ion reacts with the Erichrome black tea indicator and form calcium Erichrome black tea unstable complex, which is wine red color. When sodium salt of ADTA is added, calcium 2 plus or magnesium 2 plus ion form a stable colorless complex with ADTA and indicator Erichrome black tea becomes free, which turns the solution light blue. Resources required: burette, stopper bottle, beaker, pipette. Chemicals required: EDTA, cement sample, concentrated HCl solution, concentrated nitric acid solution, ammonium chloride, 1:1 ammonia solution, and Erichrome black tea indicator. Procedure. First part contain, that is dissolution of a cement sample, and second part, that is the volumetric analysis of a calcium ions. In the first part, 1 gram of a cement sample is dissolved in the concentrated HCl and make the solution of a 250 ml stock solution. Out of this stock solution, 50 ml solution is again taken and diluted to 250 ml. In this manner, there is a double dilution of a 250 ml. We will see this procedure in the demonstration. Take a 1 gram of a cement sample in a beaker. Add 10 ml of a concentrated HCl into the cement sample to dissolve the cement sample. So 10 ml sample. Then add 2 ml of water into it. Take the sample into After heating, filter the filtrate with a normal filter paper. Collect the filtrate in a 250 ml volumetric flask and make the volume of a 250 ml.
ठीक है सर. This is our stock solution. We put out 50 ml of a stock solution and add 1 ml of a nitric acid. Boil the solution, then add 1 gram of ammonium chloride and 1 test tube of a 1:1 ammonia. Add 1 ml of concentrated nitric acid. Add 1 gram of ammonium chloride. Then add 1:1 ammonia, 1 test tube. Add 1:1 ammonia with the constant setting. Filter the filtrate with ordinary filter paper. Collect this filtrate in the 250 ml volumetric flask and dilute to 250 ml volumetric flask. Dilute the filtrate to 250 ml. This is our 250 ml cement sample. Take 25 ml of a cement sample into the conical flask. Then add 5 ml of a buffer solution into the conical flask. Add pinch of Ergo black tea indicator. Color becomes wine red. Titrate it against EDTA in light blue to red here. You get light blue color. This is the end point of the reaction.
Constant butyric of 4.6 ml means calcium content present in the cement sample consume 4.6 ml 0.01 molar EDTA. Calculation for a first step, that is quantity of calcium in the 25 ml of a sample solution, that is 1000 ml of 1 molar EDTA is equal to 40 gram of a calcium. Therefore, 1 ml of a 0.01 molar EDTA is equal to 14 into 0.01 divided by 1000 gram of calcium, and x ml of a 0.01 molar EDTA is equal to 14 into 0.01 into x divided by 1000 gram of a calcium. X means our butyric. That is 4.6 ml of 0.01 molar EDTA is equal to 4.0 into 10 raised to minus 4 into 4.6 gram of a calcium. That is 4.6 ml of 0.01 molar EDTA equal to 0.00736 gram of a calcium, means 25 ml of a sample solution contain 0.00736 gram of a calcium. Now, quantity of calcium in 250 ml stock solution. Since 25 ml of a solution contain 0.00736 gram, so 250 ml of solution A contains 0.00736 gram into 10. That is 250 ml solution A contain 0.0736 gram of a calcium. But 250 ml solution A prepared by dilution of 50 ml stock solution. Therefore, 50 ml stock solution contain 0.0736 gram of a calcium. Therefore, 250 ml of a stock solution contain Z into 250 divided by 50 gram of calcium, that is 0.0736 into 5. That is 250 ml of a stock solution contain 0.368 gram of calcium. That is 250 ml of a stock solution means 1 gram cement contain 0.368 gram of a calcium. Percentage of calcium in a cement. Since 1 gram of a cement contains 0.368 gram of a calcium, therefore 100 gram of a cement contain, that is 0.368 into 100, that is 36.8 gram of a calcium, means percentage of a cement is 36.8 in the cement sample. Result: the percentage of calcium content in the given cement sample is equal to 36.8%. As the percentage of calcium content in a given cement sample is 36.8%, means it has good setting and hardening property. Thank you.